So for Unit 5 review, in the beginning we have a lot of calculator work. So for the first one, the measure of two angles in a triangle are 29 degrees and 46 degrees. What is the measure of the third angle? So instead of giving you a triangle, they're just giving you the information about the triangle. And so you would have to just add the 29 and the 46 and get 75. And then you would subtract that from 180 degrees, giving you the 105 degrees. For 2, 3, and 4, these are all dealing with the triangle congruency theorems. In number 2, we have to look to see what we are given. So we're given a side and a side. Okay. We're given angle. They match up. Sides match up. So we have side angle something. Well, we look to see that this side is congruent to itself. Okay, implied. So it's congruent to itself. So that's another side. So we have side, angle, side. And this side, and this angle, and this side all match up to this triangle. So we're going to go with side, angle, side, which is letter B. Please write your answers over here on the lines given. In number 3, we see that we're given a side that matches up and another side that's matching up. But we don't have a third piece. So if we look, we see that we have these angles right here that are vertical, which we know are congruent. So we have side, angle, side, and then we also have side, angle, side. So we see that they all match up to each triangle. So we're going to go with B again, side, angle, side. For letter F, we are given the side that match up. We are given the other side that matches up. Okay, and then we are given these angles. If we look at this, we're given angle, side, side. And we discussed in class how we cannot have angle, side, side, ASS. So this would be F, not enough information to solve. Alright, for number 5, in this particular problem, you're going to want to label different parts of the triangle here. So angle B is X. Angle A is 3X plus 27. Now, because this is an isosceles triangle, and we're given that because of these congruent marks here, and we have these base angles are the same, we also know that this angle is 3X plus 27. We also know that in any triangle, all angles add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to say X plus 3X plus 27 plus 3X plus 27 again equals 180 degrees. So then I can go through and combine my like terms. This would give me 7X, and then 27 plus 27 is 54, equals that 180. So now we're down to a two-step equation. Let's subtract that 54 and get 126. Divide by 7, and that gives us 18. So now we know X. We know X is 18 degrees. We also know that that means that angle right here is 18 degrees. Okay? So we know that B is 18. We also can take the 18 and plug it into angle A, which we also know is angle C. So angle A or angle C would be 3 times 18 plus 27. And if I multiply, we get 54. Add 27 to that, we get 81. Okay, so number 6, we have the same picture, but we are given segments. Okay, so it's a little bit different than our angles. BC is listed as 3X plus 8. And AC is listed as 5X plus 14. And AB is 9X minus 10. We have to find X and then all the segment lengths. So we know that these two segments are congruent because of those marks right there. So we're going to set them equal to each other. 9X minus 10 equals 3X plus 8. And we're going to subtract that and get 6X minus 10 equals 8. If I add that 10 over, we get 18. And if we divide, we get 3. Now, to find the other segments, we're going to have to plug that 3 in to each one of these expressions. But we know that AB and BC should be the same thing. So I'm going to plug 3 into that BC, 3x plus 8, and get 9 plus 8, which is 17. Okay, so BC is 17. That means that AB has to be 17 as well. And I can plug it in to check. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 minus 10 is 17. And then lastly, for AC, we have 5 times 3 plus 14. And that's 15 plus 14, which equals 29. And we're not putting degrees because these are all segment lengths.